In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sign up for Getresponse affiliate program. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Getresponse affiliate program page. This is the official page where the program information and sign-up options are listed. Take a moment to confirm you are on the correct site and page before you click anything. On screen, you should see details about the affiliate program along with a way to apply. Next, look for the Sign Up or Join Now button. The wording can vary slightly depending on the layout, but it should be clearly labeled. Click that button to start the application process. This step matters because it takes you from the general program overview to the form where you can submit your information for approval. After you click the button, you will be taken to an application form. Now you need to fill out the application form with your personal and business details. Read each field carefully so you understand what information is being requested. You may be asked for things like your name and contact information, as well as details about the business or platform you will use to promote the program. Enter the information accurately, because the review team uses it to understand who you are and how you plan to market. As you complete the form, take your time and check that everything is spelt correctly. Also, make sure that your business details match what you will actually use for affiliate marketing. For example, if you have a website, a social channel, or another promotional platform, the form is typically designed to capture that context. This helps your application feel complete and reduces the chance of delays. Once the form is filled out, the next step is to review and accept the terms and conditions. Scroll through the terms so you can see what you are agreeing to. This is an important part of the process because the terms explain the rules of participation in the affiliate program. After you have reviewed everything, select the option to accept the terms and conditions so you can proceed. With the terms accepted, you are ready to submit your application for approval. Find the Submit button on the page and click it when you are confident all your details are correct. The submission step matters because it officially sends your request to the affiliate team for review. Depending on the system, you may see a confirmation message that your application has been received. Now, after you submit, your application will go through the approval process. This usually takes some time, so be patient. During this waiting period, avoid assuming you have been approved until you actually receive access. Keep an eye out for confirmation within the affiliate system or any notification the platform sends after review. Once you are approved, you will receive access to your affiliate dashboard. This dashboard is where you manage your affiliate activity and track your performance. At that point, you will also have access to your unique tracking links. These links are essential because they connect your referrals to your account, allowing the program to measure clicks and potential conversions correctly. Finally, with your tracking links in hand, you can start using them in your promotions based on the methods described in the program. Your unique links ensure that your efforts are attributed to you so you can monitor results from within the dashboard. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.